I have another tool to share with you, a couple of them I want to show you. This is especially done for architects. If you're a person that likes to do all of your elevations, plans, and everything in the same section or same drawing or same file, you can see Scalz has something called Scalz named views. It's just like the Visual CAD named views. The difference being that you actually set a scale for each area or each drawing in your file. So anyway, here we go. As you can see, I can zoom to any one of these areas by selecting the named view. Okay, well, I'm going to zoom all, and this particular view you can see here is A0.0 is not in the list. So I'm going to add it just by typing in A0.0, and I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to set the view, the rectangle, for that particular view name. Okay, so now you'll look and you'll see it's in the list. So now I can zoom to that particular view. So that's how you add a named view to Scalz named views ribalog. Okay, and they'll show up. They're saved in the header of your drawing, and they'll always be there for you. All these different names that you've defined. So you can see I can zoom into any one of these areas. All right. So we're kind of done with that tool. I'm going to do a drawing save to save my this named view. But you can mess around with this. You need to tell Scalz the size of your title block up here so that it knows the scale of your drawing. All right. So I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to type in ZTB, which brings up the batch printing ribalog. Now notice that I've got click to print to PDF and create a single PDF with PDF TK, which is a program that comes with Scalz. I'm going to print by scale because that's how I want it done, and over here are some other settings that you can make, but this area is what I want to talk about right now. Here's how you can print layer groups. As you can see down here, these are all the different layer groups that correspond to the different layer groups that are shown in this particular area of the drawing. Okay, now the zoomed or the Scalz named view, that where all of those different views are, is called all groups. Okay, so what's going to happen is that area of the drawing, it's going to create a PDF of each of these different groups, layer groups. As you can see up here, these are all my different layer groups. Okay, so we're printing to scale and we're printing to a PDF. I'm just going to click this button, and you're going to see what will happen is in the first one, I had it checked in the box where it will only check the first one, and I'm going to do Save PDF, and I'm going to save it. It's going to say that it already exists because I've done this before, and now it's going through every thing that's defined in this drawing and creating a PDF from it. It's creating each of the different views in this particular area, and it's going to each of these views and creating one. So I'm going to, and now it's going to create the PDF that I want. And here we go. There's a PDF of all of the drawings in all the areas in my drawings. You can see it didn't just pick up just the layer groups. It also got all these other views that were named. Again, these are all named views. So we printed all named views, and then also all of the layer groups that were within a particular named view. But you can see a complete set of drawings. The numbers, if you number things in a way that Scalz can sort things, you'll get them in order all the way down the line. So there's how you can create a complete set of drawings in a matter of just a few seconds if you have your drawing set up properly.